Wales calling again. We have a group of friends here near Cardigan. We all have our birthdays close to each other in January and Feb. It brightens this time of year as we all celebrate together by going out for lush meals. And this Saturday it's our friend Sue's birthday, which we're going to mark with a delicious meal in the Harbour Master at Abereron tomorrow lunchtime. Food and good friends brighten up the dreariest part of the year. Have a lovely weekend yourself. I bet you're going to have a brilliant one. Thank you very much, Ursula. Morris in Beirut. Hi, Morris. This evening we'll leave our house in Beirut and head to a hotel ski resort, Mazar at Faraya, in the mountains. It's a beautiful area. The kids will have a great time learning how to ski while Mum and Dad watch. Most importantly, it's the first time we'll have gone away for a break for over a year, and it'll be amazing. We'll be thinking if you're having a lovely time, Morris. Dave, the white van man in Worcester, says, have you got that Friday feeling, Vanessa? On my way home from Belfast to celebrate my birthday today. Happy birthday to Dave. I'm looking forward to the weekend as going away with my partner to Spain for the weekend. That's Eric, who loves the show. Thank you very much, Eric. Now, the philological challenge took place today. The words corbeil, a representation in stone of a basket of flowers, formication with a m in the middle, sensation like ants crawling over the skin, jambalaya, you know what that is, crawfish pie, a Cajun dish of rice with shrimp, chicken and vegetables, and mosey, to walk or move in a leisurely manner. And here is Michael in southwest London.
Good morning, Vanessa, my lovely. It's Michael Ball.
Oh!
I just thought I'd have a go at your philological challenge, if that's okay. So
yes.
So last Sunday, I moseyed into Radio 2 for my Sunday show. I had a spring in my step, as my producer had already told me. My opening song was one of my faves, Jambalaya on the Bayou by the Carpenters. I love that song. And when I arrived in the studio, it was filthy. Core. Bail, I exclaimed.
Oh!
Just standing in the mess was enough to give me a sensation of formication all over my arms. I shuddered and left. Honestly, some Radio 2 presenters were born in a barn. Love you, Lady V.
Oh, I love you too, Michael. We won't name and shame them, will we? Wouldn't dream of doing that. I'd like to have heard him singing Jambalaya, though that would have been magnificent. Oh, Michael Ball there thought it was absolutely brilliant.